10.7. Dividing polynomials. We're going to divide each one of these polynomials by a monomial. Monomial just means a single term. What we're going to do is separate each numerator to have its own denominator, and then we're going to reduce. So let's do number 1. Let's write 75x to the 6th divided by 5x plus 50x to the 3rd divided by 5x minus 25x divided by 5x. Now all we're going to do is start dividing. I like to cancel. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 75 15 times. This x is going to cancel with one of those x's, leaving x to the 5th, which leaves us with 15x to the 5th. For this one, 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 50 10 times. This x cancels one of those x's, leaving x squared. That leaves 10x to the 2nd power, minus these x's cancel. 5 divides into 25 5 times, leaving us with a final result of 15x to the 5th plus 10x squared minus 5. Let's do number 2. Same way. Separate. Make sure your signs are not left off. Signs are one of the main places where these are missed. So here we go. These a's cancel. This b cancels one of those b's, leaving b squared. 2 divides into 4 2 times. That's going to leave this 2, b squared, and this minus sign, which is negative 2b squared. Now notice these signs, negative divided by negative, becomes positive. We're going to cancel 2 into 16 8 times. A goes into a squared a, and b goes into b squared b, because one of these a's cancels one of those a's, leaving an a. That b cancels one of those b's, leaving a b, leaving positive 8ab. Now I'll do the signs first. This is where people tend to miss them. 22 divided by 2 is negative 11. Yep, positive divided by negative keeps that negative. This a cancels one of those a's, leaving a squared, and the b's cancel. So you have negative 11 a squared. Now number 3 is a little more interesting. This is the reason why we really want to separate and then reduce. So we have 7a squared over x, or 7a squared x over 28a squared x squared minus 14a x squared divided by 28a squared x squared. Doing the same thing for the 21a squared x squared. Remember, we're not worried about what results. We're just trying to set it up correctly, and then whatever happens, so be it. So now let's cancel. 7 goes in 7 once, 7 goes in 28 4 times. These a squares cancel. This x is going to cancel one of these x's, leaving an x on the bottom. And as you can tell, we have a 1 on top and a 4x as the denominator. Fractions will result. 14 goes in 14 once, 14 goes in 28 2 times. This a will cancel one of those a's, leaving an a on the bottom. These x squares cancel, leaving 1 over 2a. And then this last fraction, so what goes in both 21 and 28? That would be a 7. 7 goes in 21 3 times, 7 goes in 28 4 times. A squares cancel, x squares cancel, leaving 3 over 4. And that's how we divide polynomials by a monomial.